So, Aya, your question is from Jan Michael S. Iwo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak niyong balikan nang magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for that question. All of the places that we've been to, of course, it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I get to run, and knowing that that's my love language, and I would want to give that to the girls. Then hopefully they will join me in running.
Wow! What's that about sagot, Nino?
Pasado yan. Pasado sa ating mga judges. Narinig na natin. Pasado ang kanyang sagot.
Yes.
There we go. Hopefully for the next mini round, lahat ng girls natin mag 21K. Sabi ni Billy, mukha mo. Maraming sa. Give it up for our winner number 1, Beanie Aya. Thank you.
Candidate, tawagan naman natin si Beanie Ika.
Grabe naman ang panahon na yan.
Beanie Ika, ready ka na ba sa iyong question? Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jeremy Velasquez, syempre may mga natrigay yung food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nung paulit na nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I think
Masaya ko, kaya hindi siguro namin nag-isip. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Beanie Ika. Bagay naman natin, one half of our let's go then, Beanie Gwen!
Grabe! Oh my gosh!
Ready, ah? Teka lang, may nagre-reverse sa likod.
Ayun, sila singers!
Oo, may nag-aanta. Grabe. Okay, pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen. Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Wonderful answer. Okay, Beanie Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Mandreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh,
Naglabi na ba no?
okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami mga niligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi karami yung shower room. So, minsan yung girls, yung minsan yung girls, alam niyo na ako, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami naligo. Pero okay lang yan. Very hindi minsan, bumupur natin. Sige dito, minsan na naligo. Pero minsan siya si Nico, yung gusto ko sa mga. Walang kapag si Gwen. Next tour. These are holy goods. Only my. Ikaw yun.
Bakit kasi masaya na siya sa $80 din yun. Okay, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Next candidate!
Ito, kanina pa lang yung sagot ko.
Beanie
Beanie
What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I'm in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and itatrato ko yung being as humans. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe ah, that was a heartwarming like, thank you. Eto na. Another half of Makulit. Queenie, go ahead!
Nakamadali lang itong question ito. From Jose Maria Christian Mary, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your daily pass that you were able to do normally?
Okay. Aside sa sort of sige naman. Matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami nasa bed na kami. Yeah, so guys, nalilito ko, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. Kahit umalag yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe. Actually, I was telling the production, the Rigon, and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mga big stars na katulad ng Beanie!
Yes, di ba? Our superstars right here.
Start na kami, start.
No, never. Especially to us groups. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Nagaganda na siya. Tawagin na natin. Our next candidate, Beanie Sheena.
Sabi ko pangarap.
Harap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So, kailangan may world entrance. Okay, Sheena, are you ready for the question?
Yes!
Okay, your question.
From Jana Marino. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby, and yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full album namin. Pantropico.
Nakikinig kami. Akala ko may bakit kong sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. Yan ang Pantropico. Sobrang sarap ng sayawan. And yung world tour kasi iba yung vocals and no part. So it's something new. Thank you!
Thank you. After state, no? Grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pag-ataw mo, binibigay mo ng buo. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Beanie Sheena.
Sheena.
And last but not least, Starlet fans, sumigaw para sa ating candidate, Beanie Skyzoo!
itong Playful Vibe, and how did international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mami, for the wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Filipino culture around the world. And it makes us super happy because, you know, Shaggy is not just a song or a game.